Welcome to Impact Learning Tutorials, and this is a video about the social benefits of sport. So in this video, we're going to understand the social benefits that people can gain from participating in sport and also be able to link some of these reasons to the specific target groups that you need to know for your coursework or for your exam. So, for antenatal and postnatal women, being able to make friends and share their experiences can be invaluable to them because it really encourages them to keep attending the social group or the sporting class that's on because they're around people who can relate to the emotions that they're feeling and the stress that they're putting on their body. Another reason for people to get into sport is being able to get out of the house and maintain independence is very important to older people and those with a disability. So, being able to attend a wheelchair basketball class gets disabled people out of the house and mixing with other people who are just like them. So, it gives them that motivation. And also, by taking part in sport allows you to meet new friends with similar interests. So, if you're an older person who enjoys playing golf, you can go down to the local golf club and you might meet some new friends who you can play with, and then that just improves your social circle, really. And that's where participating in sport is really important for any social group because it allows you to meet these new people. So, some more social benefits of sport is particularly for children, taking part in sport allows them to socialise with different age groups, which can help them to become more confident. So, for example, if you're at a community football club, you might end up playing with the age group above or even 2 years above. So, therefore, you're going to learn more social skills, which will then improve your confidence when you go back to school or playing with your own age group. Sport helps to encourage teamwork and cooperation skills, which will benefit young people as they progress into adulthood. So, things like independence, resilience, as well, are all skills that, as people progress into colleges, universities, and even the workplace, having these skills is really important to them. And finally, sport helps to widen people's social circle by mixing with people from a range of cultures and backgrounds. So, specifically, if your culture doesn't particularly encourage sport, by mixing with people from other cultures, you can find out how they've got involved in sport and the benefits that it's having for them by making these links with other communities and having the opportunity to do a little bit of sport. We hope you found this video useful. Please subscribe to keep up to date with our latest tutorials.